Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to open Google Chrome settings. So let's jump right in. First, you'll want to open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, you'll notice that there are actually two different ways you can access your settings. So I'll walk you through both methods so you can choose whichever one feels more convenient for you. The first method is incredibly quick and straightforward. Simply direct your attention to the address bar at the top of your browser where you normally type in website URLs. Click on it to place your cursor there. Then type in chrome://settings. This command will take you directly to your Chrome settings page without any additional clicks or navigation required. It's perfect when you want to jump straight into your settings without going through any menus. Now, let me show you the second method, which uses the visual interface that most people are familiar with. Look toward the upper right corner of your Chrome browser window. You'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots stacked on top of each other. This is your Chrome menu button that gives you access to all sorts of options and features. Go ahead and click on these 3 dots to open the drop-down menu. Once the menu appears, scroll down through the options until you see the one labeled Settings. Click on Settings, and this will also take you to the same Chrome settings page where you can customize your browser experience, manage your privacy options, adjust appearance settings, and much more. Both methods will get you to the exact same destination, so it really comes down to personal preference. Some users prefer the speed of typing the command directly into the address bar, while others like the visual approach of clicking through the menu. Either way works perfectly fine. And that's it. You now know 2 different ways to access your Google Chrome settings whenever you need to make adjustments to your browser. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.